Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. So is the Ecovacs T90 Pro Omni Just a Dad approved? Well, it absolutely is. The Ecovacs T90 Pro Omni was a pleasure to have at my home. Now, is it the right robot vacuum cleaner for you? I'm going to go through and explain exactly what I found with this robot vacuum cleaner. I have a scorecard and everything so you can see exactly if this will fit you. Now, I did purchase this with my own money. I wasn't paid for this video, but I do use links. If you purchase this product or any product off my website, justadadapproved.com, I am an Amazon affiliate. If you click on that link, the product's not going to cost you anymore, but I do earn a small commission from the sale. Now let's get started. Ecovacs T90 Pro Omni. This thing kind of came out of nowhere. I had been buying Ecovacs for a long time and I just kind of stopped because I wasn't too impressed with some of the earlier models. I got a lot of requests to purchase this, and thankfully it was on a really good sale for Prime Days. I think we got it for around 500 bucks. I think today I saw it for around 600 bucks. So wow, this thing, if you want your floors mopped, this is an excellent mopping robot vacuum cleaner. It has a mop roller. Now, the lid just fell off, sorry. It has a mop roller. So Ecovacs has been making mop rollers for a while, and I can tell that they have improved quite a few things on this robot vacuum cleaner. Now, bottom line, are we to a point where I would recommend a mop roller to my mom or my mother-in-law or somebody that wants a super simple robot vacuum cleaner? I wouldn't recommend this one to them yet. In my opinion, you need to be just a little bit techie. There's a few things, the maintenance on it, while drastically improved over previous models, there's just a few extra things you've got to do. And there's one little area that I may have a little concern with. The dirty water tank on it is not accessible. These robots, these mop rollers that have dirty water tanks, I like to be able to take those out and clean them. Although I haven't noticed anything wrong with this yet. I've used it now for over 2 months. That's something I would like to see on these robots that have mop rollers. When I say you need to be a little techie, what I mean is the app, while it's not the best app I've used, that's the application that you interface with this, it's just a little tricky in some areas, so it requires you to have just a little bit more precise knowledge of the app in order to use it. So what it's going to come down to me, if you have a home that has mostly hard floors, this will be a pretty good robot vacuum cleaner for you. If you have a lot of carpet, I do prefer mop rollers that have covers, because when they transition, although this can lift the mop roller pretty high, I have found on my carpet when it did have to travel with the wet mop roller, it did drag it on the carpet a little bit. Also the dustbin filter that vacuums your carpet inside the robot is just a little bit small in my opinion. So with that in mind, you would have to clean this dustbin filter a little bit more often than say like another robot vacuum cleaner, like a Roborock Saros 20 or something. So that was my only thing. So for vacuuming up hardwood floors, you typically don't get as much dust and debris. So this typically does work okay for that. The Ecovacs T90 is able to vacuum in nice straight lines. I came home and the carpet, you could see exactly where it went. It does go under some furniture. It is a little on the tall side, but it is able to navigate what furniture it can go under pretty good. Now let's watch it mop in the kitchen. It was able to do the toe kick really well. As you can see, it can extend that mop roller right up against the toe kick. It is a little on the tall side, but not too bad. Here it is going right up against the stove pretty good. And now it's going to go inside that toe kick. Struggled a little bit with the dishwasher, but ultimately it was able to get it. Does a good job of getting around this dog bowl. As you can see, it can extend that mop roller right next to it. Now it does mop really good. As you're going to see here, it goes back and forth in nice straight lines. And I did feel like my floors were very clean. And when we emptied the dirty water tank, it was extremely dirty. So very impressed with its mopping capabilities. Let's go empty the dirty water tank on the T90. Now every time I emptied it, the water was extremely dirty. The Ecovacs T90 Pro Omni is one of the best optical avoidance robots I've tested. Here you're going to see it misses that cable, the sock, even the fake dog poop over there. I was very impressed with its optical avoidance test here in the studio, and it performed equally well at my home. Let's cut up and open the dust bag on the T90. As you can see, it did a pretty good job of vacuuming up dog hair, lots of fine particles. Now let's go into washing the filter. I thought that filter was just a little smaller than it could be. Now that tray was super easy. The brush roller is easy to clean. I do like that that tray is removable. Overall, the parts were relatively easy to clean for a robot with a mop roller. The Ecovacs app is okay to use. It's not the worst app I've used, but it's not the best either. Sometimes pinching and zooming can get a little tricky. I do find that walls that jettison out into the room, sometimes they don't get identified as walls. They get identified as like slashed lines, which makes it a little bit harder to do divides. The settings can be a little tricky. Here we go into the agent hosting settings. That's the ones I've found to be a little tricky, and it was a little intimidating to use. I do like that it has a simplified mode, so I might recommend turning on the simplified mode if you're wanting it to be easier to use. Now there's no clean your entire house button. You just, whenever you open it, if you hit clean, it's going to clean your entire house. You can do vacuum only, vacuum and mop, vacuum and mop. You've got different levels of suction. You have a slider scale for how wet the mop pad gets and different cleaning patterns. It did identify a lot of the rugs, but in some rooms it never really identified that whole room as carpet, even though that carpet is wall to wall in that room. I do like how it gives different colors to different rooms, and you can see where the carpet is when it does identify it. Let's take a look at the Ecovacs scorecard. Mopping was its true highlight, 9.5 out of 10. Overall, 8.2 out of 10. This is the highest scoring Ecovacs I've tested. This robot was really built for hardwood floors. Carpet is just okay. So is the Ecovacs T90 approved? It absolutely is. I did actually enjoy using this at my home, and it did a really good job. Who should buy this? If you have a lot of hardwood floors, this is going to be a great robot for you. I might skip it though if you wanted something that was just super simple to maintain and set up. Overall, the T90 Pro is Just a Dad approved. So I have purchased over 200 robot vacuum cleaners with my own money. That way I can give you my honest opinion. If you want to see my top robot vacuum cleaner picks, check out justadadapproved.com. Up at the top, you can see Dad's top picks. You can select down there, and you can see the individual review for every one of those robots that I pick, and also this robot vacuum cleaner. If you want to see how it stacks up against another one, you can see. But while this is a great robot vacuum cleaner, I thought it did a good job. It's a great, refreshing experience from Ecovacs. I wouldn't recommend this to my mom or my mother-in-law just because it requires just a little bit more knowledge. But if you are kind of understand robot vacuum cleaners very well and you're kind of in tune with this, I could see why you might actually really like the Ecovacs T90 Pro Omni. Now, the best place to go to find these robot vacuum cleaner picks is justadadapproved.com. Up here in the top header, you're going to see best overall vacuums, best for pet hair, best under 1,000, best under 500, and best under 300. Let's check best overall. I don't give you 20 picks. I give you 5 of my top robot vacuum cleaners with the score, but I have all the information to back it up. If you want to read the full review, why did I pick the Mova V50? Let's go see the full review. You can see the videos that I have right here to back it up. I have my 3-month real-world score test, my real-world testing results, cost to own, my robot specs that I think are important to robot vacuum cleaners, some quick buy it if, skip if, and then a simple review. Thanks everybody for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Also check out where you can find all my approved products on my website, justadadapproved.com. You'll see a little link to it here at the end of the video. If you click on that, that's going to take you right to my website.